Built Ember Touchless Wash. It's the fan favorite, the pre-wash everyone swears by. But what if I told you there's an underdog that has been flying under the radar? Meet Gion Foam, an underestimated contender that might just prove the hype around touchless is, well, overhyped. Today we're putting them head to head to see if Gion can deliver the same cleaning power.
I'm gonna go to town
If it
right
can
now.
match or even beat Built Ember, it might just change how we look at pre-wash altogether. Can the underdog take down the reigning champ? Let's find out.
Here's our two products, my friend, the Gion Foam that I just received a couple weeks ago, and the Built Ember that is here for revenge. So Gion Foam, what is it? So I'm gonna compare this to Built Ember Touchless Wash, which is supposed to be the miracle product, the best products in the EU, or now it's becoming the most overhyped pre-wash in the US. So I'm gonna compare it to Gion Foam, which is pH 12. It's not advertised on the website, but if you write to Gion, it'll tell you that it's pH 12, but when diluted, it'll become a neutral product. This is $23. So I'll have the link down below. This is $23 Canadian. You can dilute this at 1:5 in your foam cannon, or if you use a IK sprayer or any kind of pump sprayer, you can do 1:50, all right? So that's gonna be a very good dilution, 2% PR like I used in other pre-wash videos. This is made to be safe on the ceramic coating. It won't remove wax according to Gion and sealant, so we'll see on my friends. And if you haven't seen my last video about pre-washers where I compared this to Labo Cosmetica primers and Koshemi Super Foam, go check it out. A really good video, one of my best work so far. There's a real fan base around this product. So what I want to do here is compare this miracle product to a really underestimated product. No one talks about Gion Foam because it's supposed to be like Carprolith, a simple type of snow foam to maintain your ceramic coating. If they do pretty similar results, we'll know that Built Ember is a good product, but nothing more than that. So I'll just confirm what I said in my last video. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna use a scale as usual. We're gonna use the 1:50 dilution or 2% PR. I have here two IK sprayers. So just so we're on the same track here. One has the sprayer attachment, the other one has the fan, but they're both the same thing, just different nozzle, which is not gonna make a difference. So to make this simple for you and to make this right, I'll use the scale, and we're gonna use a 1:49 dilution with only 10 ml of concentrate and 490 ml of water. So I'm gonna have a 500 ml total liquid in there at the same dilution for each product. So there you go, 492, same amount of water here and there. Slow. Okay, so we have 11, 12. I use this one here. Scale is at 0 and add 10 ml. Okay, so we have 12 ml for Built Ember. So both are equal. I was gonna use 10, but let's run this up at 12. And that one is gonna be the red handle for the IK sprayer. On the left side, we're gonna have Gion Foam, and on the right side, Built Ember Touchless, all right? I have the pressure washers ready. I have a second camera over there. I'm gonna put you guys here with the best angle. I'm gonna empty the 500 ml total dilution on each side. Both pump sprayers are ready to go. I'm gonna use this to not overspray. So we only have one take for this. Obviously, we're spraying on dry paint. For the pre-wash, I'm gonna spray the whole 500 ml, like I said, so everyone is fair. Same quantity, same dilution. gonna go to town right now. So that's the fan type of sprayer for Built Ember touchless wash. Okay, pretty much air now. Let's stop here. Put that away. So there you have it. The stopwatch is going. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. We're over 4 minutes, so I'm gonna stop here. So we're ready to start rinsing with the Geon product. And there's a slight line here where the foam that I used to cover this up. You can see on the ground there's lots of that dirt that we're here that fall down on the ground. I don't see a real difference on each side. Maybe the Built Ember is slightly cleaner before rinsing, but we'll see. Okay, let's go. So let's do the Built Ember on the right side. Rinsing is done. I did the best I could, to be fair, on each side. I really don't care who wins. I just want to compare those two products and show you guys the results as they appear, as they come. So right now, we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna use the blower, dry this off to get the true results, because as you know guys, when it's wet, always looks clean. Okay, so we're using my best camera here. Get another shot for you. Is there a difference between those two pre-washes? So be careful on the middle here. That's the section that we split our product. And there's also a line where I hit the bumper with the foam. So I'm gonna remove the light. Maybe you guys can tell from here. I clearly don't. So if you look at the top where the badges are, from my end, yeah, slightly cleaner on the Built Ember. The license plate is not much of a difference. So let's take a look at the bumper. No light, with light. If you look here, the film. Same for me. I'm gonna remove that flood thing on my scan grip and just use it as an inspection light. You see a difference in the ring of light. Let's look at the diffuser, the black diffuser there. So I'm looking at the bumper. Yeah, it's a little bit cleaner, maybe on the Built-Ember. There's not a big difference. There is a difference, but not much. So now you can look at the lid here or at the edge of the bumper where the trunk lid meets the bumper. It looks dirtier on the Built-Ember. Okay, so I just grabbed another light source. This is the Astro 50 SL. I'll link this down below. On the left side, Geon foam. On the right side, Built-Ember Touchless Wash V2. So finally we have the truth here. I had just confirmed what I mentioned in my last videos about pre-washing products. Built-Ember Touchless Wash is good. It has maybe a tad bit more cleaning power than Geon foam. I'd say around 10%. I have nothing against any of those brands. I just wanna tell you the truth here about pre-washing product. I've got attacked pretty good in my last video when I mentioned that this product is overhyped. People make it to be like a miracle product when it is not. It's a good product, nothing more than that. So I just compared it with an underestimated pre-wash made to be safe on wax, sealant, and ceramic coating. So there you have it, guys. Maybe around 5 to 10% difference. Not much more than that, and this car is as dirty as it can get. If you live in the south, if you just drive in the rain, there's no need for the best pre-wash in the world. Just get one, use the videos that I recommend the products. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.